Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add art page border in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video now you can see add art page border. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for draw text box. Now draw text box in all pages. Now we can see then draw text box. Now going to the format menu option, then click for shape outline option. Now click for width option, then click more lines option, then click for border art option. Now we show the interface, then select from a art. Now choose from any art. Now choose from art. Now click for OK, then apply from size. Now click for OK. That it's. Now you can see add art page border in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.